All right, here's another homework question for you. This is number 9. They've given us the triangle similarity statement. They're just asking us to solve for x. Okay, that's all that they've asked us to do is solve for that x right there. So all we're going to do is set up a proportion problem. Remember, a proportion problem, that's pretty much the whole thing that you're going to do on all these. So I'm just going to write my 2 fraction bars right there. And I'm going to say, okay, ABC. Notice ABC is my big triangle. So let's do that big triangle on the top. And then we're going to do the ADE, this little one on the bottom. So I'm just going to write the bottom. I guess you could write the top over here. Just note that it's the whole triangle, not just that shape right there. All right. So let's do the bottom first. Those are kind of easier to find. So we've got 2 sides at the bottom. I'm just going to throw those in, 20 and 15. It doesn't look like it's drawn to scale there. So don't ignore the scale, but those are my 2 sides. 20 right here. Oh, keeps doing that. 20 is the side between A and D. So let's look at this 20 first, between A and D. So when we look at A and D are my first 2 letters. So that means that we're going to look at our first 2 letters on the bigger triangle, and those are A and B. So we're trying to find the length from A to B right there. Now notice from A to D is 20, from D to B they're telling me is 8. So we've just got to add those together. Our segment addition postulate says just add them together to get that big one. So 20 plus 8 is 28 right there. Okay, do the same thing for this other side. So this side right here from D to E was 15. So D to E are our last 2. We're going to look at the last 2 here, B to C. So B to C, they've told me, is this 2x plus 3. Now we've got our proportion all set up. Now it's easy to solve. Okay, again, we're just going to do our cross products, top times bottom. So I have a 20 right here times to my 2x plus 3. That's going to equal to top times bottom, 28 times 15. And go ahead and distribute. So 20 times 2x is 40x. 20 times 3 is 60. That's equal to 28 times 15 is 420. And then go ahead and solve for x. So let's subtract our 60 from both sides to get x's by themselves. So I just have the 40x on the left. 420 minus 60 is going to give us 360 right there. And then again, we just want the 1x, so divide it by 40, and x is equal to 9. So that x is going to be equal to 9 in order for those triangles to be similar. All right, hope that one helped too.